Hello everyone, I welcome you all. This is Lata Avhad, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry at KVN Naik Arts, Commerce and Science College, Nasik. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the biogenesis of cholesterol. In animal, the triterpenoids alcohol, Dnyaneshwar, is converted into cholesterol. And the Dnyaneshwar is prepared or synthesized from squalene. So squalene is having C30 in it. Dnyaneshwar also having C30 in it, but cholesterol having C27 unit. That is, molecular formula of cholesterol is C27, H46 and oxygen. So let us see the biogenesis of cholesterol in details. First, the structure of squalene. This is squalene. So in first step, enzymatic epoxidation of this C1 and C2 double bond carbon by using O2, FAD and NADPH, and we get squalene oxide. In next step, cyclization takes place. This carbon attack on this carbon, this double bond on this carbon and this double bond on this carbon, and here opening of epoxide take place and formation of new carbocation take place, and we get here a positive charge. And this cation is known as protosterol cation. In next step, Wagner-Merwin 1,2-hydride and 1,2-methyl shift take place with minus. So here this minus H plus take place. This methyl group shifted here. This methyl group shifted on this carbon atom. This hydrogen shifted to this carbon atom, and this hydrogen shifted to this carbocation carbon atom, and we get Dnyaneshwar as a product. Here is a double bond. This is known as Dnyaneshwar. In next step, sequential oxidation of this 14-methyl group to aldehyde, and we get here aldehyde. This is known as 14-alpha formyl derivative. In next step, peroxyaded formation via nucleophilic attack by peroxy enzyme onto carbonyl carbon of aldehyde. That is, enzyme is lone pair of oxygen attack on this carbonyl compound, and we get in next step, homolytic cleavage of peroxy bond and elimination of format as a leaving group, that is minus this enzyme radical format. Here homolytic cleavage take place, and we get in next step, loss of formic acid take place, and we get here a radical. In next step, this radical enzyme trap the hydrogen radical and there is formation of double bond take place and we get in next step, reduction of this double bond take place by using NADPH and we get and this is known as sterol reductase. In next step, sequential oxidation of this methyl group to carboxylic acid via alcohol and aldehyde and we get here CH3 and here carboxylic acid. In next step, oxidation of this alcohol into the ketone by using NAD+ and we get here carbonic compound, that is carbon double bond oxide. In next step, decarboxylation of beta keto acid, that is minus CO2 take place and we get in next step, allylic isomerization take place, that is plus minus H plus and we get in next step, reduction of this double bond take place by using NADPH and we get in next step, tautomerization take place and we get in next step, oxidation of this methyl group into carboxylic acid via alcohol and aldehyde and we get next step, loss of CO2 take place and we get in next step, tautomerization take place and we get in next step, by using O2 and NADPH, dehydrogenation gives conjugated diene and we get in next step, by using NADPH, selective reduction of this double bond take place and we get here carbon double bond oxygen and in last step, by using NADPH, ketone is converted into alcohol and we get cholesterol as a final product which contains C27, hydrogen 46 and oxygen. So this is all about biogenesis of cholesterol.